Nope, nope, nope. Turn them upside down. You can't put your feet in the leg holes. You gotta put them in the buttholes. What are you doing?
Take a walk.
You ain't gonna be able to walk at all like that, buddy.
You gotta flip them around. Need help?
No.
You give up.
Want Grandpa help?
No.
Excuse me.
What?
Grandpa.